Struggling malls face the same problem: how to bring customers back. We just helped a mall in Jinan, China solve this in just 1 month. The challenge? This mall was in a remote location, not easy to attract crowds. They needed something that would make people travel to visit. We built a over 3,000 square meter indoor sports center. The entire project took about 1 month from design to completion. The results? In just 10 days after opening, over 10,000 paying customers visited, with total foot traffic exceeding 100,000 people. What made it work? We created a comprehensive sports entertainment venue: digital sports, bumper cars, arcade games, and unpowered equipment all in one place. The centerpiece features our signature combination: a high-altitude adventure course at 8 meters high, combined with dry snow slides, launch slides, and our exclusive light-wheel motorcycles with zip lines. You ride above, you fly below. It's a one-of-a-kind experience. We also included trampoline zones, soft play areas, and climbing walls on the second floor. Everything designed to keep visitors engaged for hours. This is what Mizone Amusement does. We're not just an equipment manufacturer, we provide complete solutions from planning and design to production, installation, and ongoing support. We have over 280 completed projects worldwide, serving clients across 50 countries. For mall developers looking to revitalize spaces and drive traffic, proven results matter. 1 month to build, immediate impact on day 1. That's the Mizone difference.